year was the first time the event was a celebration. And people will be taking steps to end global poverty today at the annual 5-kilometer World Partnership Walk in Vancouver. The event gets underway at 10:45 in Stanley Park, and our reporter Jennifer Palma is there with some of the build-up. Jen?
Good morning, Lynn. That's right, there are busy bees around here getting set up at Stanley Park in the Lumberman's Arch area. And to tell us a little bit more about this important walk and the important work that it does, helps, is Nadia Rahim. You are the convener for the World Partnership Walk. Good morning.
Good morning. That's right. I'm the volunteer convener for the 29th World Partnership Walk here in Stanley Park.
It's amazing. 29 years, and you were one of the founding members. What is the walk all about?
The walk is about alleviating global poverty. The funds all go to international development. And yes, I was the founding member, and I'm really excited to be here on the 29th walk and to really organize it and be in charge of the whole walk.
This really has grown across Canada. 10 cities take part. Millions of dollars have been raised. And even today, 8,000 people are expected here. Where is this support coming from?
The support is coming from Canadians. 8,000 Canadians are going to be here today. There's many donors, many sponsors, corporate sponsors who are donating for the fund to raise awareness, to help with alleviating global poverty. The funds are going to really rural areas in Asia, in Africa, in the most poorest countries. And the important thing is that 100% of the funds are going to these projects that are driven to the communities by Aga Khan Foundation Canada.
And that is one of the goals, right? To make the community self-sustaining, provide jobs at the end of the day?
Yes, all the projects that are self-sustaining, Aga Khan Foundation Canada trains these communities right on the ground so that when we leave those cities, those towns, the communities are self-sustaining and they are able to earn their living because most of the training is educational. It educates the communities how to deal with farms, how to grow farms, how to deal with their products. Some of the projects are microfinancing, how to earn incomes, and so that when the Aga Khan Foundation leaves from those communities, the community members are self-sustained.
Thank you so much. That's Nadia Rahim, volunteer convener for the World Partnership Walk. And of course, it's all getting underway officially around the 10 o'clock hour. You can join in all day. The walk starts at 10:45. And there's lots of fun to be had here and lots of food. I have to tell you, it smells good. It smells good. So if you have some time, you want something to do today, it's not raining right now. Could be fun. Stanley Park. Back to you.
Thanks, Jen. Jen Palma in Stanley Park for us. And it's going to hold off, do you think, for them for the walk?
So it's a bit of a tricky situation here. Basically,